The role of social media in disaster response. Title: The role of social media in disaster response. Introduction. In recent years, the world has witnessed numerous natural disasters and emergencies, highlighting the urgent need for effective and efficient disaster response strategies. During such challenging times, social media platforms have emerged as powerful tools for communicating vital information, mobilizing resources, and connecting individuals. This article examines the pivotal role of social media in disaster response, exploring its advantages and potential limitations in aiding emergency management efforts. 1. Rapid information dissemination. One of the greatest strengths of social media in disaster response is its ability to disseminate information rapidly to a wide audience. During crises, platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram become reliable sources for updates on evacuation orders, road closures, and emergency services. By providing real-time information, social media enables citizens to make informed decisions and take necessary precautions swiftly. 2. Crowdsourced aid and rescue efforts. Social media has revolutionized the way individuals contribute to disaster response by facilitating crowdsourced aid and rescue efforts. This real-time collaboration can greatly enhance the effectiveness of relief operations and expedite assistance to those in need. 3. Identifying affected areas. Social media platforms equipped with location-based services and user-generated content can help authorities identify affected areas accurately. By monitoring posts, tags, and check-ins, emergency management agencies can map the spread of the disaster, allocate resources accordingly, and prioritize rescue missions. This ability to gather real-time data from social media provides an invaluable tool in addressing the immediate needs of affected communities. 4. Crisis mapping. Building on the concept of identifying affected areas, crisis mapping takes social media's data-gathering capabilities to a more structured and organized level. Crisis mapping platforms allow volunteers and emergency responders to collect, verify, and visualize information from various social media sources. These maps can display crucial details such as affected infrastructure, priority areas for aid delivery, and evolving circumstances on the ground. By harnessing this collective intelligence, disaster response efforts can be better coordinated, leading to more efficient distribution of resources. 5. Psychological support and community resilience. Beyond logistical support, social media also plays a significant role in providing psychological support to affected communities. During disasters, individuals often turn to social media platforms to share their thoughts, emotions, and experiences. This virtual support fosters a sense of community resilience, reassuring victims that they are not alone in their struggle and providing a platform for peer support. Online support groups and mental health organizations can also leverage social media to disseminate coping strategies and advice, promoting emotional well-being during trying times. 6. Monitoring and early warning systems. Social media has the potential to act as an early warning system in disaster situations. By employing data analytics and natural language processing techniques, authorities can monitor social media conversations to detect patterns and sentiments related to potential disasters. Additionally, citizens can contribute by reporting real-time events via social media, providing valuable data for authorities to respond promptly and accurately. Social media's role in early warnings can help save lives and minimize the impact of disasters. Limitations and challenges. While social media undeniably offers numerous benefits in disaster response, it is important to acknowledge its limitations and challenges. Firstly, the reliability and accuracy of user-generated content can be questionable, requiring careful verification by authorities. Additionally, the reach of social media may not encompass all segments of society, potentially leaving vulnerable populations without access to crucial information. Privacy concerns and the risk of misinformation spreading rapidly on social media are also challenges that need to be addressed and managed effectively. 7. Collaboration with first responders. Social media has opened up avenues for collaboration between the general public and first responders in disaster response efforts. When emergencies occur, social media platforms can serve as a direct line of communication between